In this demonstration, we are going to see OneDrive to SQL data integration. Let's see how to configure data object, loader, and data flow to integrate the data from source to target. Before creating a data object, we want to ensure that the respective source connection is available. If not, we need to create a new connection. Go to the connection form. Here, the source connection is OneDrive. Select the OneDrive connection that you are going to use. The authorization information, along with the credentials, is defined in the connection information. Similarly, we want to ensure that the respective target connection is available. If not, we need to create a new connection. Select the MS SQL connection that you are going to use. The host and port information, along with credentials, are defined in the database information. Now that we have verified the connection, let's create a data object to extract the data from OneDrive. Create a new data object against the OneDrive connection. In source definition, select the mode of reading as data mode, file type as XLSX, structure as formatted. Enter the site name and file name from which we are going to read the data. Click on the Parse button. It shows the list of columns from the source file. Select the columns to extract data. Save and compile your data object. Now that we have set the source, let's create the target to load the data. Create a loader for MS SQL connection. Enter the loader name and other mandatory information, and save. In the table definition, select the schema and target table name to load the data. Select the required columns. Create a data set and add the selected columns to the data set. Save the data set. Save and compile the loader. Finally, let's create a data flow to establish source to target mapping. Enter the data flow name and other mandatory information. Save and click Next. Select the source as data object and pick the data object that we created. Select the target as loader and pick the loader that we created. Create the mapping between source and target columns. Here the column names in source and target are exactly the same, so use exact match and click Map and Save. Save the data flow. Compile the data flow. And execute the data flow. The data flow summary shows the consolidated status of data integration. The data has been integrated from OneDrive to MS SQL successfully.